Hi guys, and my name is Praddy, and today I'll be showing you my version of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript Project 1 books. So for this project, I've built a book review website in which users will be able to register and then log into this website. Thus, they'll be able to search for books, leave reviews, and even see other people's reviews that they've left. I'll also be using an API from Goodreads, which will allow us to have a broader extent of reviews and ratings, for example. So my application is actually connected to a database which has been hosted by Heroku, and it's PostgreSQL. So let me show you this. So here are all the books that have been left behind. 3M plus Quran. And then if we take this URL and put it in here, then here's the website. So first of all, we'll create an account. Let's say Friday. Leave a password. Okay, so now I've created my account. Then let me log in. Okay, so here's the main homepage. So for here, I can search up what book I want, for example. So let's say I want to see what the example is. Let's say Defending Jacob, for example. Defending Jacob. Search up. Okay, so we've got a search result. Exactly the book Defending Jacob. And then if we go here, here's the main site in which we can see a nice image, the Goodreads website, and the average ratings, etc., and more information. So let's say I give it a 4-star, and let's say a great read, for example. Okay, let's submit that. So he's here. The username, in this case Praddy, has commented a great read, rating 4, and even the timing. Okay, similarly we can search for many more books. But let's try and see creating a new account, for example. Let's go user1. Let me type in a password. Let's register again. So here's a new one. So user1. Okay, let's go to the same book, Defending Jacob. It's going to be the same book page. And then over here we can see Praddy has commented. So this is my user session, different user session from Praddy's user session. So there's two different usernames and each user has a different user session. In this case we can leave a review of 5, for example, and say a must read or something. Okay, and then we can see both users. And by the way, just for information, it's ordered by time. Okay, from here then we can also search for more books. Let's say that we want all the books done by William Landay. Okay, only Defending Jacob is done by William Landay. If we go to here, we can see other books that has been, let's say, Insurgent, for example. Let's search up Insurgent. Insurgent, Veronica Roth, etc. And similarly, it comes up with my own page. But once again, I can say great read, for example, and leave my review behind. Let's try a different one. Let's say something like, let's just try In Her Shoes, for example. If you go search here again, do this again, In Her Shoes, another book. And similarly, if you want to try and put in the ISBN number, it'll work quite the same way. ISBN, In Her Shoes. So let's go to book page. Okay, that's the user sessions and the reviews. Then let's have a look at whether we can get the API key from this. All we need to do for the API is do it in this format and invalid book ISBN. So probably we've typed in the wrong book. Let's try Defending Jacob. We've got an ISBN number here. And then API. Okay, so here's the API that comes out of it. And of course, any user can have a look at this, use this JSON format and use it in their website for information, for example. But that's it for this website. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.